So this is another GPT by ChatGPT. It's called Laundry Buddy and has a couple of these quick prompts here. So we can jump into a couple here and see what they do. So can I wash a gray hoodie with whites in cold? Okay, and it looks like it's going to give us some do's and don'ts. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Then we have something else we can do here. We can upload an image of um, some clothing. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so it's telling us do wash in cold water and wash on gentle cycle and use non-chlorine bleach only if needed. Tumble dry low. And it's great because it explains which one is which symbol. All right, so do not dry. The circle with the cross means dry cleaning is not recommended. So I haven't double checked all of these, but I'm pretty sure if ChatGPT is coming out with this, this should be pretty solid. And also, these seem pretty reasonable. So you could double check, but it seems pretty reasonable. Let's see what else this thing can do. So we'll do a new chat. And we'll say, how do I remove a coffee stain? So we can do that and see what it says. All right, so you can see this GPT sticks with this do and don't setup. So I'm sure there are other applications for that we can think of, but it's nice to see that it is consistent throughout, no matter how we approach this. So that's it on this one.